close a door me there. On top of the ceiling. You see there? See there? See where I come from back away school there? Go down. So no vehicle at all can pass out here, so.
Right. Go down closer. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is License Road, St. Thomas, close to the bakery. The newly made bridge is now disrupted and disturbed by heavy rainwater, with logs coming down, blocking the bridge. No vehicle can go left, right, nor center. And if you notice where you have the water coming off a little grade, like sooner or later the entire bridge will disappear. If we have another 45 minutes of this kind of weather, the bridge will disappear. We are saddened to know that the old bridge, we had never had this kind of situation with it, but it's now dangerous with the new bridge. See some trucks now trying to make their headway through it. I think the contractors need to take a good look at what is happening and to correct this situation after the rain. So maybe this bridge should be lifted, or the other side should have some deep trenches taking the water off it. Something needs to be done, and done speedily.